Hi, I'm Ian from Zenarmor. Today we're going to talk about a leading cause of breaches, trusted remote access. Did you know most modern breaches don't start with malware anymore? They start with trusted remote access. Attackers don't break in, they log in, using stolen credentials, compromised devices, overprivileged accounts. And traditional remote access makes it easy. Legacy VPNs assume that once a user is authenticated, they can be trusted. That assumption is dangerous, because when attackers get in, they don't stop at one system. They move laterally. They explore. They escalate. That is why Zero Trust Network Access exists. The core tenet of ZTNA is never trust, always verify. ZTNA reduces risk at the point of access. Access is based on identity, device health, and context. Users never connect broadly to the network. They connect only to the specific application they're authorized to use, nothing more. If a credential is stolen, the blast radius is limited. No network exposure, no lateral movement. But not all ZTNA solutions reduce risk the same way. Some ZTNA platforms route traffic through centralized cloud inspection points, introducing latency. Access and security depend on a proxy in the middle. Others offer point-to-point access, but rely on a cloud control plane to broker access, without performing any inline content inspection. And so today's ZTNA forces a trade-off: centralized inspection or no inspection at all. Zenarmor removes that trade-off. Access is enforced using identity continuously, not just at login. Connections are direct, end-to-end. And traffic is inspected before it leaves the source, and again at the destination, inline, in real time, close to the user and the application. Policies define who can access what and under which conditions. Risk is evaluated continuously. Access adapts instantly. Unlike access-only solutions, Zenarmor inspects traffic and stops threats before they reach your applications. Most breaches start with trusted access. ZTNA removes that broad trust. Zenarmor goes further, enforcing inspection and security directly inside every connection. Instant, high-performance secure access, no delays, no detours. Zenarmor ZTNA, secure access plus inspection. Zero trust, done right.